You hit your profit target. Your drawdown is fine. You followed every rule. And Lucid still won't let you request a payout. Here's why. And it has nothing to do with trading badly. It's the consistency rule. And most traders misunderstand it completely. One of the 3 Lucid account types has absolutely no consistency rule at all. I'll tell you which one in about 60 seconds. There's also a trap that can spike your percentage, even on a week where you only made money. We'll get to that too. Before we dive in, if you're looking to get on Lucid Trading, the link in the description gets you the maximum discount available on any plan. Use coupon code BESTOFFER at checkout. It takes 5 seconds and it's the best deal you'll find. All right, let's go. One formula. Same across every Lucid account type. Your biggest profit day divided by your total account profit. That number has to stay under a certain threshold or you can't get paid. Simple enough. But the threshold is different for each account. And in one case, the rule doesn't apply at all. Here's the full picture. Lucid Flex, 50% rule in the evaluation, 0 rule once you're funded. Lucid Pro, no consistency rule during the evaluation, but 40% on every single payout request. Lucid Direct, 20% every payout, the strictest of them all. Read that again. Lucid Flex, the rule only exists in the evaluation. Once you're funded, it's gone. Lucid Pro, no rule during the eval. It only kicks in when you want to get paid. Lucid Direct, 20% every single cycle. This changes everything about how you approach each account. Let's break them down one by one. Lucid Flex starts with an evaluation. Hit the profit target, and you upgrade to funded. That is the only moment the consistency rule applies. The threshold is 50%. Your best single day cannot be more than half of your total profit. Example, you're on the $50,000 Lucid Flex evaluation. Profit target, $3,000. Your biggest day was $750. $750 divided by 3,000, that's 25%. You pass. Now say your biggest day was $1,600. $1,600 divided by 3,000, that's 53%. You don't pass. Keep trading. The fix is simple. Keep trading until that percentage drops. More profit days means a smaller share for your best day. Lucid built in a small buffer, just slightly above the 50% line. They call it the consistency cushion. On the 25K account, the cushion brings the cap to $650. On the 50K, it's $1,560. On the 100K, it's $3,120. On the 150K, it's $4,680. 2 things to know about that cushion. 1, yes, you can technically pass in 2 days. It's possible. 2, the cushion is not a fixed dollar amount. It's a percentage of what you actually earned on your biggest day. It changes trader to trader. Safest move. Spread your trades out. The cushion is a safety net, not a strategy. And now, the part most traders don't know. Once you cross into the Lucid Flex funded account, there is no consistency rule. None. No daily loss limit either, by the way. You're free to trade without that constraint hanging over you. That's the reward for passing the eval clean. Lucid Pro instead flips the whole model. And there's a rule change from late 2025 that a lot of traders missed. Stay with me because this one matters. Lucid Pro has an evaluation too. But during the eval, no consistency rule. 0. You can pass in a single trading day if you want. The consistency rule only activates once you're funded and requesting a payout. The threshold is 40%. Example, you're on a $50,000 Lucid Pro funded account. Total profit $4,000, best day $1,000. 1,000 divided by 4,000 is 25%. Payout approved. Best day was $1,700 instead. 1,700 divided by 4,000 is 42.5%. Payout denied. Keep trading. And here's the thing, the rule resets after every payout. Every new cycle, you start from 0 and have to earn that 40% again. Now, the update. Lucid changed the Lucid Pro funded consistency from 35% to 40%. Accounts purchased or reset on or after November 28, 2025 at 3 p.m. Eastern Time have 40%. Accounts purchased or reset before that date still at 35%. Check your account purchase date. It could make a real difference on your next payout. Lucid Direct is the hardest one. No evaluation. You're directly funded from day one. But with that comes the strictest consistency rule of all, 20%. Example, $50,000 Lucid Direct account. Total profit, $3,000. Best day, $500. 500 divided by 3,000 is 16.7%. Payout approved. Your best day is 650 instead. 650 divided by 3,000 is 21.7%. Not approved. Why 20%? Think about it from Lucid's side. No evaluation means they have 0 prior data on you before handing you funded capital. So they need to see your consistency directly inside the funded account itself. At 20%, you mathematically need at least 5 solid green days before your ratio is safe. This account demands the most discipline, spread out trading style of all 3. Okay, this is the trap I mentioned at the very start. The one that hits traders even on weeks where they only made money. Here it is. Day 1 plus 800, day 2 plus 700, day 3 minus 400, total profit $1,100. Best day, 800. 800 divided by 1,100, 72.7%. You'd fail the consistency rule, even though day 1 felt perfectly normal. When you take a loss, your total profit shrinks. Same best day, smaller denominator, higher percentage. The instinct after a red day is to trade big and recover fast. That's exactly wrong. One oversized recovery day spikes your percentage even higher. The fix: recover over multiple sessions. Add more good days. Don't just erase the loss with one big trade. 3 quick tips before we wrap. Track your consistency percentage every single day, not on payout day, every day. It takes 10 seconds. Best day divided by total profit. Write it down. Set a personal daily cap based on your account type. Lucid Flex eval. Keep any single day under 40% of your running profit to leave yourself margin. Lucid Pro funded. Target under 30% per day. Lucid Direct. Never let one day go above 15% of your running total. After a big day, keep trading. More profit days dilute that big day's share. The worst thing you can do after a great session is stop and try to protect it. Quick recap. Lucid Flex, 50% rule, evaluation only. Once you're funded, it's gone. Lucid Pro, no rule in the eval, 40% on every payout cycle. Check if you're still on the old 35% threshold. Lucid Direct, 20% every payout, the strictest, and it requires the most consistent trading style. And remember, losing days hurt you more than you think. All the official Lucid support links are in the description. If this helped, subscribe. I break down the rules most traders skip. See you in the next one.